So we're looking at the Juki DNU-1541S. We're going to do a little troubleshooting because sometimes the bottom thread is not being picked up by the hook, so the hook's not engaging. We've tilted the head back here so you can take a look and see that the hook is not spinning when you either sew or are turning the hand wheel towards yourself. So let's take a look at how to fix the hook slip on the 1541S and talk about the S in 1541S in this really quick video. So you want to push and hold this silver button and turn the hand wheel away from yourself till you feel it click, then turn the hand wheel back towards yourself. And if you need to take a look and make sure it's engaging now, you can tilt the head back and look at the hook as you turn the hand wheel in either direction and just see that it's engaged now. So it's fixed. The S stands for safe, and it's the safety for the hook, not the user. So that's a few $100s on that hook. So Juki, their solution was to have the hook disengaged instead of being destroyed by the machine sewing while it was out of whack. And that's it.
So then to re-engage it, push the button, push it away. Should hit it. So it moves with every, if the hand wheel turns at all, the hook moves accordingly.